It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Miss Janita back again for another plant story video, letting you know what's going on. And today I'm sharing with you my propagated snake plant. How long has it been? A couple of months since I planted the propagated leaves. I cut some leaves off from another plant that was propagated. So these are propagated leaf cuttings that I got from a plant that I propagated previously. And now this plant has taken root. There's no new growth at all right at this moment, at this time. And but they are seeded. They are dark green and healthy. So this is a successful propagated snake plant leaf plant. Yes, there's a birdie in there, and yes, there's a turtle in there. And there's probably a couple of gnats in there that I need to get rid of. Yes, indeed. So just wanted to come through and share with you guys how my propagated snake plant leaf cuttings were doing. Look how rich green they are. Now this is spring. Let me see. Have I seen I'm trying to remember that have I ever seen a snake plant with flowers. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. So many plants that start growing. Well, these, believe me, aren't going to flower because they're babies. But anyway, yes, they're in here. Propagated snake plant leaf has spawn day 2. I cleaned the leaves, watered the soil from the bottom, and it drank a lot of water. Doing good. So here is my propagated plant, snake plant leaf cutting update. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to support your other gardening content creators and the other content creators that do support your channel. And I will be doing my best to get around to everyone. I know I'm on the late boat, but I will get there. Don't you worry. You come over here, I'm definitely going over there where you are. All right, so y'all have a great day. Happy gardening, and that's about it. Bye for now. Till next time. Well, isn't this a wonderful surprise? I took a picture of this plant with my plant identifier app, and it says this is sage. So what a successful story this is. Sage growing from seeds I planted. Had no clue. How about that, you guys? I have sage on my balcony garden. Sage, dill, oregano, basil, and what is it? Parsley. Whoa. Parsley, oregano, basil, dill, and sage. 5 herbs. I planted some other seeds. Hopefully they take off. And I'll share that with you guys too. This is wonderful. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening.